afternoon, you guys. I'm having quite a slow week this week. Most of my friends are on holiday or busy working while everyone else is on holiday, so they're like catching up and having to work more because everyone else is on holiday. And work for me has also been a bit slower, so I'm just enjoying like the calmness as summer is coming to a close and just taking it in and enjoying it and like spending my days out in London, enjoying the weather while I can because I know in a few weeks time I'm gonna miss the days where it's still hot and I wasn't doing too much. I was just enjoying life in London. So today I thought we could go into Notting Hill together. I haven't been there in quite a long time, and there's a few cafes and bakeries there that I've really wanted to go to, especially this one called Fabrique that does just like the best Swedish cinnamon buns. I also want to go to the market, Portobello Road Market. I haven't been there forever either. So yeah, let's go. Quite a few people have asked me why I'm always taking the forest bikes or the Santander bikes and not like the electrical bikes like the Lime. And this might be like a controversial opinion, but I don't like them that much. I feel like they're too fast. Because they're electric, they go too fast, I can't control them. So I like the good old Santander bikes better. Okay, let's go. I'm pretty sure the one thing I'll miss the most about London summer, now that we're coming into autumn, is cycling. Like, I'll probably still cycle in like September, maybe early October if it's still warm. Like, coming from someone who used to be terrified of cycling in London, learning to bike in London almost has the same vibe to it as learning to drive when you're from a city where you have to drive to get everywhere. It's just like the best feeling ever. We're almost here. I stopped a little bit earlier than actual Notting Hill because I wanted to go through Westbourne Grove. Westbourne Grove is this like street that kind of feeds into Portobello Road, and it's like a high street, I guess, in between Notting Hill and Bayswater, and it's just such a nice road. They have so many nice shops. I love going there, but like just look how pretty this is. A bit hungry, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have a quick easy little lunch before having my cinnamon buns. And I kind of forgot about this, but Acai Girls has a shop in Westbourne Grove. They're the ones that do like the Air One Ass smoothies, you've seen them around. They also do really good acai bowls, so let's get one. Let's try to build your own acai bowl. Sure. I love this street so much. They even have a Zazan shop, a Reformation shop. Oh my god, there's a Gunny shop as well, I didn't know. Wait, should we go over? Let's go over. I haven't been to Gunny in forever, so let's check it out. Oh my god, I love this. I love this as well. This is so cute with the bows. So cute. Alright, we made it to Portobello Road. Oh my god, guys, look at this. That is so cute. I think I might get one of these. These are adorable. I'm in between the bee and the strawberry. I feel like the bee might go more with my outfits, but the strawberry is just so cute. I think I'll have the bee. I like the bee best. Oh my god! Yeah, I'm good. I love your shop. It's so nice. Thank you. Perfect. Thanks. Yay. This is adorable. Oh my god. Okay, here we are. Take it from a Scandinavian. These are the best Swedish cinnamon buns in London. Let's get one. Ja, okej, jag har hört så. Kan jag få en cardamom bun? Ja. Hej. just got back home, so now I'm gonna quickly get ready for dinner. I booked this like wine bar and tapas bar at 6 p.m. today. Initially, one of my friends was gonna go with me, but then she canceled and she can't do it anymore. And I've been spending like the past 2 days trying to find someone to go with because all my friends are on holiday. It feels like everyone's going away on holiday in September this year, like including for my job as well. Like both of my managers have been on holiday in the past 2 weeks, so that's partly also the reason why my past 2 weeks have been quite relaxing and quite slow compared to my regular weeks, because this feels a bit like holiday. But speaking of holidays and recovering from our busy schedules, taking a bit of a break, you know what can't recover from our busy schedules? Our computers. Nothing changes between the day you go on holiday and the day you come back on the first day of work or the first day of uni. So let me introduce you to Clean My Mac X. With over 30 million downloads, it is the best cleaner app to clean and optimize your Mac, and it is the app your Mac needs when you're on your well-deserved holiday. I love this app because it helps me find and delete junk that I otherwise wouldn't know was on my Mac. It also helps me uninstall unused apps and just overall makes my Mac computer faster, safer, and more organized. It also has this menu app, which you could find right there, which watches over my Mac's health. And it has informative monitors about every aspect of my Mac's health, so I can fully disconnect. Like I can easily see the status of my battery and its health, temperature, and charging cycles. I can also find apps that are running in the background and taking up a little bit too much memory and just so much more. Clean My Mac X menu app watches over my Mac's health, so I can fully relax, and you can try Clean My Mac X2 with a 7-day free trial by clicking the link in my description box below. And you can also get 20% off with the code MATELY20. So give it a go, try it out, and I am about to run late, so let's head to dinner.
Exactly what I need after my work day. I couldn't even call my mom after. I was like so dead. She's like, why? So mean by accounts.
Happy Sunday. It is like the most perfect weather in London today. It's 28, 29 degrees. So me and Theo are just gonna bop around, enjoy the weather, maybe get some iced coffee first because we're quite hot.
One cold brew, one cold ice latte.
Let's go. Oh my god.
What is that, Maddie?
Fun fact, if you've ever wondered how I do all my videos where it's like I film in the streets of London but I don't like put my phone on a wall, I actually put it on a fence. So we're currently sitting on a fence. Anyway, we're about to head into Regent's Park because it's just so hot on the streets, and I feel like in the park it would be a little bit more cooler. Also, we haven't been to Regent's Park in quite a while, have we?
No, that's true, yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely less people than in Hyde Park.
Hyde Park, Green Park, St. James's
Yeah.
Park often really busy, but Regent's Park, because it's so big, can often be like
It feels more local.
Exactly.
And then you have people doing like sports there as well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, let's go. Look how peaceful it is. Like obviously we're in central London, there's people here. There's bound to be, I feel like, all around London. But because it's such a big park and there's so many little pockets, it gets really spread out. So I feel like it feels really small and it doesn't feel like it's very overcrowded in any way. It just feels really peaceful. It's very nice. I love just walking around here. Like, look how pretty. We're going over to the boating lake now because we kind of want to rent one of the boats and like go on the water since it's just such a good day. There they are. Can we get one boat for 2 adults for an hour? 60? Yeah.
This is so cute.
Mye bedre enn en robot.
Fun fact that you guys may not know is that when me and Theo first started dating and you came to London, we went to Hyde Park and it was like such beautiful weather and we were like, oh my god, should we rent a boat? That might be really fun. And we were still like, we barely knew each other. So we were still, well, we did. Like we'd been together for like 2 months. Like we were still like babies. We were like, oh, let's rent like a rowboat. That might be really romantic. So we rented a rowboat and it was like 30 degrees and Theo had to paddle the rowboat.
Like romantic for you, yeah.
It was very romantic for me, but like it was really windy as well, no?
Yeah.
So like Theo was like struggling so hard to like paddle the rowboat or like row the rowboat because it was like exhausting and like super heavy and it was also like scorching hot. So I'm happy they changed the rowboats for these like paddle boats. It's probably easier.
Yeah, they do have some robots.
Yeah, and all the men who paddle the rowboats look absolutely exhausted because they're much harder to row than you think.
Yeah, look at that guy. He's rowing for us.
Oh my god. Guys, look how pretty this is. Can I just have a plain croissant, please? Okay. Look at the weather this morning. It's so gloomy. Anyway, I had to go out for groceries this morning because we were out. So I got some essentials and then I got a bit hungry. So I also picked up a little croissant. I thought we could make a little smoothie today. I haven't done that in a little while, but I have some frozen berries and fruit, so let's go. Look at the way they made this croissant. I mean, it's really good. It has a really funny shape. It's starting to clear up a little. If you watch my short videos, you know I recently, well not very recently, but like a month ago, got bangs or curtain bangs. So I've been trying to learn how to style them and I feel like I got a good routine now. I use these curlers, whatever they're called. And I like roll my hair down like this and let them dry in the rollers. It's starting to clear up a little bit, so I'm gonna quickly clean my room or just freshen it up a bit, do the laundry, and then we're gonna go out and we're gonna do some haul shopping. But we're just gonna have to manage until my bangs dry. Anyway, the door just rang and I got a package. I'm happy I was here for this because this is apparently trying to be delivered 3 separate times, so let's see what it is. I think it's a gift from this hair brand that does like hair clips and stuff. Oh yeah, it is! That's so cute! It's like 3 little bags. Oh, this is so cute! Ooh! It's like a baby one of the one I have. Ooh, oh my god. It's almost like wooden. Should we try them on? This one, I'm a bit scared it's too small for my hair, but we shall try. I guess it kind of works. Let's try the pink. I can't see it myself, but I'm assuming it looks cute. Thank you to Minimalista. This was a really cute gift. Right, my plan is I'm gonna go over to Black Street and get a pistachio latte because that is something that this reminds me of, like late summer, early autumn. And then we're gonna go Rousseau, which is like probably jumper and cardigan heaven. I went to shoe and ballerina heaven in the previous video. Today I'm taking you to jumper and cardigan heaven. They have cardigans and jumpers and every single color you can possibly imagine. I want to see what their new colors for autumn are. I'm really excited. Girlhood, you know? I get excited about cardigans and sweaters. Can I get the pistachio latte, please, with oat milk? Do you do it iced? Yeah, I'll try that. Why not? I didn't even know they could do this iced, so this is news for you and me. It's so good. I feel like this is the perfect transitional drink between the seasons because it's not too autumny. Like I don't want to taste like pumpkin or spice yet, but it still has that like cinnamony pistachio taste. I love this. Highly recommend. Here we are. This is what I mean with cardigan heaven. Look at all these cardigans. Like literally every color cardigan you could possibly want. I ended up getting 3 jumpers and this coat to try on. Okay, I actually love this color. So cute.
So cute, but I feel like it's too wintry. Just not what I'm looking for at the moment, but it's so cute.
This one is probably giving less like unique energy than the brown color. Like I feel like this color just like went a lot better with my skin tone, my hair. I don't know, I can't explain it. So I think this one is. Hi! Just this one please. Thank you.